I'm going to review the Mario Amiibo for Switch, 3DS, and Wii U. At any point during this video, if you'd like to check out this Mario Amiibo for yourself and get it at a great price, make sure to check out the links below this video. Today, we're diving into the world of Nintendo magic with the iconic Mario Amiibo. Now, if you've never experienced the wonders of an Amiibo before, you're in for a treat. This little figure might look like just a collectible, but it's packed with features that can enhance your gaming experience in ways you never imagined. So what makes the Mario Amiibo so special? First off, it's incredibly versatile. You can tap it on your Nintendo Switch, Wii U, or even the new Nintendo 3DS systems, and each time you unlock something new and exciting. For example, in Super Smash Bros. Ultimate, you can train your own Mario fighter, customize his abilities, and even save your progress directly onto the Amiibo. Imagine having a personalized Mario that you can bring to a friend's house and show off your training skills. And that's not all. In Mario Kart 8 Deluxe, tapping the Mario Amiibo gets you an exclusive racing suit for your Mii character. And in The Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild, you might even get some helpful items like mushrooms or meat that can help you on your journey. It's like having a secret weapon up your sleeve. Now, let's talk about how the Mario Amiibo can enhance your everyday gaming life. This isn't just a figure sitting on your shelf, it's a gateway to unique content and personalized experiences across multiple games. It adds an extra layer of fun and replayability, turning even your favorite old games into new adventures. Plus, for collectors, it's a must-have. Who wouldn't want Mario, the hero of the Mushroom Kingdom, sitting proudly on their desk? And it's super easy to use. Just tap the Amiibo on the right Joy-Con of your Switch, the NFC touchpoint on the Pro Controller, or the NFC reader on the Wii U gamepad or the new 3DS, and you're good to go. No complicated setups, just tap and play. Now let's be real for a moment. As much as I love the Mario Amiibo, there is one potential drawback you should be aware of. Each Amiibo can only save data for one game at a time. This means if you want to switch the data from Super Smash Bros. Ultimate to another game, you'll have to delete the existing data on the Amiibo first. It's a small trade-off, but one worth noting for those of you who want to maximize its use across multiple games. So, is the Mario Amiibo worth it? Absolutely. Whether you're a casual gamer looking for some extra perks, or a hardcore Nintendo fan wanting to level up your gameplay experience, this Amiibo is a game changer. So what are you waiting for? Click the links below to grab your Mario Amiibo today and start unlocking a world of fun. Thanks for tuning in to today's latest review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Remember to check out the links below for some fantastic deals on the product we discussed today. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us keep bringing you the best and up-to-date reviews.